I thought I would do another kind of like day in my life. I have a lot going on today. Not a lot of like super fun things, but there is just a lot going on today. I have my day off during the week this day, but I'm usually working on YouTube and stuff like that. So hopefully the microwave wasn't too noisy while I was talking. But I just made some breakfast and made some coffee. I made 10 ounces and I made it strong because I have a little bit of a migraine right now. So I'm going to see if I can subdue that with some coffee and maybe an Excedrin. I hate doing both because it makes me super shaky. Dante thinks I'm talking to him. Oh, we're talking to the camera. We're talking to our YouTube friends. It's okay. It's okay, I promise. So, for breakfast today, I have really been enjoying doing just plain steel cut oats. This is just the Quaker oats. And then, I'm gonna get back this in and move on first. So, for breakfast, I've just really been enjoying doing, these are just the Quaker Oats, steel cut oats, and I just do that, and I do kind of the measurements on here. I just eyeball it, really, honestly, and I don't put salt in mine, because I don't find it necessary. And then I just use, this is just the Walmart brand, this is the creamy cashew butter. So this grossed Alex out because it's like super watery looking, like if you've ever seen cashew butter. You kind of just have to stir it a little bit, but it is supposed to have that kind of consistency to it because it's just what it is. So he was all grossed out by it. He's so weird about food sometimes. So I usually just take a good spoonful of that and put it in my oatmeal after it's all cooked up. I've really been enjoying this instead of peanut butter. I don't know, it just tastes good. And then I mix it. This is like a good stick to your ribs meal on a cold day, even though I think today it's supposed to be like 80 something again. Like the temperature fluctuation of being like in the 60s and then back in the 80s, I think that's what's making me feel like not so great. So I'm like super sensitive to stuff like that. So then I just diced some apples. I made this yesterday. I pretty much eat this every day if I can. I tried to film yesterday, but just I could tell it was going to be a hot mess. So I just diced, or cubed, I guess, I don't know, cubed these. And this was the other half of the apple that I didn't use. And a little tip to keep your apples from browning is putting lemon juice on them and then putting them in a Ziploc bag. So this actually didn't really get too brown. It got a little brown near the core, but I cored it anyway. I just cut it up. I don't know if there's a proper way to core an apple, but that's how I did it when you saw that clip. So I just eat that, drink some coffee, and I'm going to try and stay very productive today because I just have so much happening today. This is what it looks like close up when it's all done. It's pretty good. I like the crunchiness of the apple and the sweetness of the cashew butter, and it's just good. It's just a good hearty breakfast. Do you like my hair? I know. It's so beautiful, huh? Ha! And I'm ready for the day. My birthday present. Woo! Woo! The Vantel pearls. Birthday gift. My receipt. comes all packaged. Oh my god! Lovely. Let's see. What does it say? Oh my gosh. Oh, I got a little, what's that in there? Oh, that's just like a whatchamacallit.
Oh, a little anti-tarnish pad,
Yeah.
I think.
Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Oh.
Look at that little cute pearl from your opening.
Yeah.
Is that was the classic
White?
white?
Yeah.
Is that what, I can't remember now what you got.
A classic white, and then I think I got a peach.
Nice.
It kind of looks pinkish.
Yeah, it does. It has a little pinky undertone to it.
Yeah, maybe it's a unicorn pearl. Oh, it's so cute! I tried to find something that would match it.
Match it.
Yeah, and I didn't feel like picking out an outfit, so I was like, well, dress it is. Oh, that's so cute. So this one is the charm, which goes on the bracelet. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Look at that little tiny thing. It looks bigger on the
screen. I know you get them in there. They are so dainty and delicate and pretty and.
Oh my goodness. How cute.
And that's like a testament to how zoomed in Jessica's camera can get on the live videos.
Oh my gosh, how cute. Look
That's
at
really
that.
pretty. I like that.
I do too. That's so cute. So it's a D ring, right? Is that what you call them? So I just have to be able to
Here, you want some help with it?
put it on somehow. There's the charm with the little green sea glass and my peach pearl. Super cute. Super cute. And then this is the other one that was shucked. And that one's a classic white and it has a little pink in it. That is cute. And the bracelet is so like dainty. It's like, This is really, I really like this. I'm even wearing my earrings too.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I figured I would be, oh criminy. I figured I would be all decked out in pearls.
I have even wore mine.
Yeah, maybe we'll show that. Sister's necklace. Oh, criminy. This is all over. It says blessed, and it has a white set on it. It's super cute, super dainty. Everything's so dainty. I'm excited to see what the rest looks like in person.
Yeah.
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 Those eyelashes.
I know.
They need to be trimmed almost. Oh my god.
They get longer. They'll get as long as his hair.
Oh my gosh.
I know, I wish I had eyelashes like that.
They look like accent lashes.
They do.
Like
falsies.
Yeah. Like ridiculous.
I know, and it's funny because they just swoop out to the side. You might have to hold the camera up so people know what you're talking about.
Oh my gosh, I think I did.
He's got lots of eye boogies, so.
So just ignore that.
Just ignore the eye boogies.
No dog judgmental parenting here.
He's in need of a bath.
You have to hold still. You have to. Oh gosh. Hi, buddy.
Smile for the camera.
Oh, you can see it when he's.
He's like...
Do you guys see it? It's like right there. Right there.
These. The big black things.
Oh, there they are. Magnus, can I have your eyelashes?
You want to share those? Without the eye boogies?
Can you cut them off for me?
Because you need a bath.
Look at that. You really can see them. Oh, that's so funny. Magnus, Jakey needs some of your hair.
Yeah.
He's a little balding sausage. Alright guys, so sorry that this vlog was such a mess and all over the place, and I was just a mess this day. So but hopefully you guys enjoyed, and Alex and I are just gonna cook and dance in the kitchen. I cannot dance whatsoever, so but I thought it'd be fun to add because it's pretty entertaining, I think, anyway. So here I was just reading him the directions on how to cut things up because he doesn't want to read it, he just wants to be told how to do it. So I was telling him you have to slice the onion, half of the onion, and chop the other half, and then we got this itty bitty onion. But he did it, so good for him. Alright guys, hopefully you found this somewhat entertaining, even though it was all over the place. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later with another video. Hopefully maybe a cleaning one or something along those lines. And be sure to follow me on Instagram so that you know if I'm gonna be missing a week in videos or, you know, whatnot. So yeah, comment, like, subscribe, and as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye!